Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the audio or voice language on the Quarantine Zone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Quarantine Zone on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, in order to change the voice or audio language, click on the Options button. From here, make sure that you are within Gameplay, and now if you scroll down, within Interface you will see the Voice Language option. You can click on the left and right arrows to cycle through the various different languages that are available. After choosing your desired language, just go back and you will be asked whether you would like to apply your changes. Just confirm your change, and now your audio language has been switched. You can continue to play with your newly chosen language, and you may switch this at any time in the future by once again following the same steps, scrolling down from the gameplay menu and then changing your voice language by using the left and right arrows. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the voice or audio language on the Quarantine Zone game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.